Bonafide Hustler here, and it is a Saturday morning. My lens is probably foggy, but we're gonna go hit up some garage sales and try to find some used goods that we can resell for cash. Before we get to the video, Jackets to Bucks is out. This is my 8th guide. I am so proud and I'm so glad to have this done. It took a while to build this guide. I've been joking about building Jackets to Bucks for at least 3 years through the vlogs and through some of the things that we find when I go out garage selling or thrift stores or whatever. I've joked about it, and I finally built it, which is really cool. In Jackets to Bucks, you can learn about the most profitable genres of jackets to buy and resell. You get to see a lot of pictures. You know, compared to my other guides in the past, there's so many pictures on Jackets to Bucks. It's crazy because it's all about visual learning as well. It's gonna tell you about the best brands to look for, you know, tips on how to like locate jackets, like list jackets, that kind of stuff. So anyway, Jackets to Bucks is on an early bird special for like 1 or 2 days. Pick it up. It's the second link down below. So I hope you see this in time. I hope you enjoy the video. Let's see what we find. What's up, guys and gals? Chris the Bonafide Hustler coming to you live from the outside of my house. We're about to go hit up some garage sales. The SUV is ready. And yeah, we're gonna see what kind of stuff we can find to buy and resell. And yeah, garage sales are a perfect place to get some really good, cheap items. Okay, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at the Bonafide Hustler, and you can get the free money-making guide. It's the first link down below. It'll teach you 50 of these items that you can buy and resell. You can start hunting today. First link down below. Oh yeah, look who's wearing the early bird shirt. And technically it is early birding because it's like 7:35. The garage sales open at 8 o'clock. There's neighborhood-wide garage sales in my neighborhood. We have the official Bonafide Hustler early bird shirt right there. Look at that. It's pretty sweet. Anyway, that's the third link down below. Go check it out. You can see all the Bonafide Hustler merch there. Let's go to garage sales now. And yeah, I'm gonna bring you into the garage sales with me, and we'll take a look for some deals and steals, or whatever you call it. If you see something on the video that I miss, then put a comment down below. I'll be taking you right into the sales with me. So that should be a lot of fun. Let's get to the first one. Okay, so here's the first garage sale, and we don't see much that we like here at all, and there's a bunch in the neighborhood, so we're gonna pass this one up and hunt around for more. There are people staging their garage sales left and right in this neighborhood, so speed is of the essence, and when you have a lot of garage sales that you could see, sometimes it's a really good idea to pass certain ones up that don't look good. And here's another one that's got a bunch of stuff, and I'm just trying to figure out if this is something worth stopping at. It's kind of hard to tell on this one. There's a vintage bike frame in the back, so there could be some cool stuff here. We're gonna check it out. Good. We live in the neighborhood too, so. Oh, nice. Yeah, we live in the Hunter's Chase Park thing. Oh, nice. Yeah.
Are there quite a few people doing a garage sale?
I mean, we just got out for a little bit and we'll take a look. Yeah, it looks like it, to be honest.
Yeah, it's kind of the neighborhood one.
It's a nice day for it, though.
I hadn't seen a lot of signs or anything.
Oh.
That's cool. Yeah. How much is the frame? Just curious.
Like $10.
10 bucks. Cool. Thank you.
Thank you.
The reason I bought this bike frame is because it is an extra tall one, and it's a pretty cool vintage mountain trek. It's a trek bike. It's like the very first mountain bike before they get into better mountain bikes from back then. But yeah, this is a chromoly steel frame as well, and it's in pretty nice shape. So yeah, why not? I think it's gonna resell for like, I don't know, 80 to 100. The play on that is extra tall people don't have many options when they're looking for bikes. So, you know, as a $10 frame, it's probably, I don't know, I'm gonna list it between probably 70 and 100 bucks, potentially more. But somebody that wants a tall frame is not gonna have many options in this town. So that's why I bought that. Just stuff, maybe bikes or video games or something.
Well, I don't think we're selling
Okay.
that, sadly.
We'll still take a look at your stuff.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mostly kids' toys and jewelry.
Okay. Cool. All these VHS tapes. This would work. I could really use these. VHS tapes are interesting.
Oh, yeah, we're giving it away. Yes, ma'am.
Can we take the whole box?
Oh, of course.
Okay.
Free box of VHS tapes. There are a lot of great titles in here. VHS tapes sell between $2 and $4 in my booth. So yeah, lots of good titles. Why not? Got garage sales everywhere today, I swear. Right here, right there. Just gonna do a little quick hits.
Okay, are you
Oh, I'll fill all my hubs.
Morning.
Hello, good morning.
What size, do you know this queen? It's a nice one. It's only $5 for the middle.
You gonna mess with these boots or no?
Yeah, how much are you asking for boots?
It says it right here. The boots are $3.
Yeah, I want these ones.
And then we get those two. We'll get those two. Will you do both 2 for $5?
That'll work.
Okay. Thank you so much. All right, 2 pairs of boots for $5. This one's pretty cool. This will sell in the booth for probably 50 to 100, and this one's more like 50 right here. They're a bit on the shorter side, but they're awesome. Okay, we've got 2 garage sales back to back. Let's go check these out. We're definitely looking for a bunch of clothing and jackets and things that we can put in the booth, because that's basically passive income. And these are the places where you find these great things. One right here. Look at this one with all the print. It's dorky. Perfect for the booth.
It's older than that. Might have been a land.
How much are they? I'm just curious. Do they all? Okay. And they're all, nothing's broken on them?
I don't think so.
Okay.
One of them might be missing a clip, but
Okay. Looks pretty good. No, I think all the clips are there. All right, I'm gonna do them. Cool. I mean, I'll do it for $1. Okay, so we popped on this for $1. This is exactly what we would like to put in the booth for like 40 to 50 all day. And then I got these Toyota hubcaps, or I guess center caps. And I'm gonna do some research, but this goes to a Land Cruiser. This could be, you know, $30 to like $100 right here. I know it's a widespread, but that's kind of how it is when before you do a lot of research, you know, just trying to give some sort of perspective on the price of what this could be, you know, but it could be more too. We'll see. Bunch of stamps. All right, I see a talking battleship. I kind of want to get it. Cool.
Did you need this?
Is it leather? Let me see. Oh, it's really thin though. I'd probably pass on this one. I'm sorry.
Hi there.
Hello, how are you?
Good.
Some sandals. I think I want to do this. This is cool. We need to get this too. Yeah, we'll do 5. So we'd like for electronic talking battleship. I'll look this thing up, but it's still in the booth. This will probably sell for like 30 or so. Pay $2 for it. And then we got this phone right here, this rotary phone. And that lady's right. These things can sell up to about $100 on eBay and stuff like that. So that's also $5, and it should resell for minimum 50 in my booth. But if it needs to go on eBay, it'll go on eBay. How much?
3.
3? Nice. So my girlfriend's going crazy on these boots right here. She popped on them for $3. And these are easily like $80 to $100 boots in the booth. But she might keep them. We don't know yet. We'll see. Those are really good. She saw them like from the truck all the way down to the garage sale. So these are Dan Post, but basically quick tutorial. Single tone, micro embroidery, but we have tooling, and tooling is really good. That's where the actual leather is cut and it's been tooled. Looks good. It's just called a snip toe. Toe's been snipped. You look underneath, it looks pretty good, good enough to sell. Main crease has no damage right here. So this is an absolute buy for $3, and this is gonna go in the booth between like 80 and 100 if she just decides not to keep them. Let's go to the next garage sale. This thing.
Morning.
Hello. How much are toys?
She has different prices.
Okay.
For this one, 2, and this one, $1.
Okay. I'll think about it. So These little Ertl tractors are interesting. I might buy this one based upon the fact that it's, yeah, we'll see. I'll do $1 for it. Thank you. It's an Agri King. Looks like it's missing the stack. But it could be a total win. Another TBD. Man, a lot of TBDs today, but yeah, I gotta do a little bit more research. So since we were just at neighborhood-wide garage sales in my neighborhood, and the truck is getting a little on the full side, it's not terribly full, but we thought about dumping all this stuff out and then going to this next round of garage sales, which might be 3 or 4 of them. But then again, they're kind of further from the house than, anyway, so we're just in another car. I dumped the SUV. I have this little beater car, and so we're gonna take the little beater car, little beater spaceship, to the next round of garage sales. So if you're like, I think he's in a different car and he didn't tell us, well, that's what's going on. And let's see if we can find some more things. I'm sorry. Old school camera.
Have all the pieces?
Yes, ma'am.
That game's fun. That could be.
Make you a deal on that.
Oh, it has a crack.
Wait a minute before you do that. Pick it up, tilt that pot towards you, and the pieces that are chipped are inside of it so they can be re-glued.
Oh yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
From Guadalajara.
I mean, I would put plants in there.
This
The lid and the lid covers it.
goes
Yeah.
on your wall and your pipe.
I think it's. Can y'all do like $2 on it or something? Okay. All right, so we got this little Guadalajara pot-looking thing, and yeah, I'm gonna glue the little pieces back because it has a little chip back there. But apparently the pieces are in here, so I'm gonna glue that together and put it in the booth, probably something like that. All right, another garage sale that was close by.
Alrighty, good luck.
Thank you very much, sir. Appreciate you stopping.
Hand warmers.
I need to pay you.
Every once in a while, I'll walk past with the dogs. And I think I waved at you before.
Well, I'm usually out here around 5:30, 6 o'clock in the morning.
This is $5, so
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, well, thank you very much,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Thank you.
Appreciate it.
100%. Thank
Enjoy
you.
your day.
Shotgun shell belt. You know, usually these things in the booth sell for like 30 to 50 bucks, so it's pretty nice, all leather. I'll take it. It was $5. So yeah, not a bad garage sale day, and I think the next video, crazy garage sale experience. You're not gonna believe it. It's been a video that I wanted to edit for quite a while now, but it's pretty crazy. So anyway, that's coming down the pipeline. I enjoy, you know, hanging out with you guys and wearing the camera and having fun with that. So yeah, I'll see you on the next Bonafide Hustler. Ride along, take it easy. Goodbye.